Yeah, hello, welcome back to kafycrypto. In today's video tutorial, we are going to be talking about how to make money with ChatGPT. So, a lot of people have been talking about ChatGPT, how you can make thousands of dollars on not with ChatGPT, not actually on ChatGPT right now. So, you might be wondering, ChatGPT is just a platform, just a search engine platform that you search for what you are looking for and you get your results, right? So how can one now use it to make money? Now you're thinking about it. Google is there. How do you use Google to make money? So how can you also use Chat GPT to make money? Then there is that there are different ways that you can use Chat GPT to make money, right? And these ways actually have to do with using it to do things that normally, personally, you cannot do. But because there is an AI that can actually help you do that, you now go ahead to offer these things as a service and make money doing it. That is the easiest way that you can make money with ChatGPT. And I'm going to be showing you at least 4 to 5 skills that you can actually use to make money on ChatGPT without having prior knowledge of it. You just have to know how you can edit it to fit into what your client wants. So let's get started. To make money with ChatGPT, first thing you need to do is to set up your profile. It can be on Upwork, it can be on LinkedIn, it can be on Fiverr, right? Then you start sending proposals to clients, to your ideal clients. And when you eventually get a client, it can be a client who wants email copywriting, a video script, YouTube description. Of course, people pay people money to do all these things for them, social media posts, company proposals. So when you get your clients on these platforms, you don't come to ChatGPT, for instance, and say, write me an email copy on so and so topic, and ChatGPT will do the work for you. Now, what is it helping you to do? You're not an email copywriter, you're not an email writer, but then ChatGPT have helped you to write a prompt that you give to it to help you and write, and you deliver it to your customer and you make your money. It's as simple as that, right? Yeah. So same thing with video scripts. So let's take, for instance, let me show you a practical example. Let's take, for instance, that we want to search about, wants ChatGPT to help us write a script on how to, there is a video script on how to make money online. So I'm going to come here. If you are new to ChatGPT, the first thing you need to do is to create your account. I've already created my account. So to search for something on ChatGPT, you just have to come here and click on new chat. Then if you want to upgrade, if you want to use the premium version, the premium version of ChatGPT, you just have to come and click here and click on upgrade, right? But then you can also use the free version to achieve everything, anything at all you want to achieve with it. The only difference is that the with the premium version is always going to be 100% active, right? Even when the system is at its capacity, right? Yeah, because most times when you come to ChatGPT, they will always tell you that it's at its limit. That, I mean, the traffic is huge, right? Yeah, so I need to come here right now and click and type, um, write me a video script on how to make money online, and it's going to go ahead and do the work for me. So let's watch it do the work for us. Yeah. Intro. Welcome to our YouTube. Okay, welcome to our video on how to make money online. In this video, we'll be discussing the different ways you can earn money from the comfort of your home, whether you are looking to supplement your income or start a full-time career. There are many opportunities available online. Section 1, freelancing. Can you see it right now? Okay, section 2, surveys. And it will be generating. If you want it to stop, you simply click on stop generating and it will stop. Affiliate marketing. Now you can see all these things that is mentioning is what people are talking about, right? So selling products online. Like, I mean, probably it might even mention Amazon KDP. So let's see. Online tutoring. I mean, all the things this AI tool is telling us are actually All true. I mean, it's as simple as that. Can you see? Conclusion. Now, the truth is that this is our result here. Now, the truth is that if you were to do this thing by yourself, it's going to take you like 2 or 3 hours to get it done. For this AI to have done it for you within 2 minutes. So your work right now is to lift what this AI to have done for you, right? So let's take for instance, you take it up from here, then you copy it, go to a doc file. I'm actually using incognito. So let me see. Let me check. Okay, sorry. So you copy what ChatGPT have given to you, and you come to your doc. That is the page you are using to write your work for your client, right? You come there, you click on add a new blank, you paste it, and you simply edit it to fit what your client wants. If your client give you maybe the brand's account to use, you simply include what the client have given to you to do, right? Okay, I think I copied it. Let me go back. Let me go back. Copy. Okay, so we have our script here. Then all you just have to do right now is to edit it. Now, you have to make sure that you remove all the formatting. Oh God, you have to make sure that you remove all the formatting. So I'm just going to highlight all and clear all formatting, because I don't want my clients to actually so this is it. I'll clear all the formatting, then I'll start to edit it by myself. I can make this one bold to make it stand out, right? So that my clients will see that I actually took my time. I'm going to put the title. I'll remove this title. Then I take it to the center. I take it to the center. Put my intro, make my intro bold. And we are done, right? So let's go back to our slide, and this one will have YouTube video description. In fact, for the first, let's come back to my ChatGPT. You're going to see that I've been using this ChatGPT platform to actually get my YouTube channel video descriptions, and it has been very easy. All I just do is to put in the topic I made a video about, and it will write the short description for me. In fact, this video that I'm actually recording, I'm still going to use ChatGPT to generate the description for YouTube, right? Yeah, so people pay money on Upwork, on Fiverr, for people to actually write these video descriptions for them, and you can easily use your chat gpt to get that done, and you get paid for that. Also, we have social media posts. Now we have a lot of businesses, we have a lot of business owners who are too busy to create content for themselves. So because they are too busy to create content for themselves, they outsource it. They outsource it to social media managers, they outsource it to content creators. So now I don't know how to, I'm giving it as an example. I know how to write social media content. It's what I've been doing for over 3 years now, right? Yeah, so let's take for instance that I don't know how to write social media posts. Please, if you are getting value, let me know in the comment section. If I'm giving you the value that you actually desired that brought you to this channel, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I create my account on LinkedIn, for instance, and I reach out to business owners who need social media content for their handle because they are too busy to do that for themselves. I tell them, I pitch my service to them. And when I get any clients, I come to ChatGPT. Let's say that the client is around fintech, or let's say the client is around, let's say healthcare, for instance. And I need to give that client every weekly content for his or her social media handle. What I'll just do is to come to ChatGPT, tell it to write me I'll just create a new chat, tell it write me a social media, write me a 1 week social media post calendar for a healthcare brand, and I'll click on this is a network problem. That is actually one thing with ChatGPT. Sometimes when you give it a prompt to bring out this error, so what I do is I'll just refresh my sites. I'll just refresh it, and it's going to load up, and I will put my okay, and I'll put my prompt, right? Then it will give me the results that I actually want. So now you can see that it's generating it for me. Now you are seeing what is giving me Monday. It's giving me the topic for Monday. It's giving me the topic for Tuesday. And so after generating this topic, I will send it to my client. If my client likes it, then I'll go ahead. Once the client approves it as a topic that he or she will post on their handle for that week, I'll then go ahead, pick up each of the topics, put it back on ChatGPT, right? When I put it back, it's going to give me the content also. Then I edit it and send to the clients. It's as simple as that. I mean, you don't need to know all these things to actually make money doing them. You just have to be smart about it. Why people are complaining that AI is coming to take their job, use it to make your own job easier, use it to do things that on a normal day you cannot do, and make money doing those things, right? Yeah, so I hope you're getting value. If you are, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. And the last one, we have company proposals. Now we can say write me a proposal. Okay, right, okay, let's give it a prompt right now. Say write me a marketing proposal for a Web3 company. Write me a marketing proposal for a Web3 company, and let's see what it's going to give us. We are thrilled to present our marketing proposal for a Web3 company. Our team of experts have extensive experience in the blockchain industry and is excited to collaborate with you to achieve your marketing goals. I mean, it's even giving their target analysis, content marketing. I mean, this is mind blowing, right? Yeah. So now you can see that AI is here to help you and not here to take your job, right? Yeah. So that is basically it. I hope you are getting value. In fact, even me myself, I'm getting value because I'm actually learning a lot of things here also while even teaching you. So that is it, and I hope to talk more about ChatGPT in subsequent videos. So if you got value from this video, all you will do for us right now is to like this video if you have not liked it, and also share this video to your Facebook, your Instagram, or your Twitter handle, and tag us, and we are going to repost, right? Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye. In fact, it seems like I'm even going to use this proposal that this both have written for me. It's interesting, isn't it? It is. Yeah, so like I said before, kafycrypto is a crypto marketing agency, Web3 marketing agency with professionals in different fields, from blog writing to social media management to marketing strategy planning and a whole lot of other things as regards to making your Web3 brand to stand out. So if you need our services, don't hesitate to reach out to us via the contact email in the description. See you on our next video. Bye.